Toyota's taking a radical swing at building the world's most affordable pickup truck, and it's completely reshaping how we think about commercial vehicles. The Toyota Hilux Champ delivers serious capability at a budget-friendly price point, starting around $13,000 in global markets, which makes it one of the most accessible new trucks you can buy anywhere. But here's what Toyota isn't telling you about the 2027 Hilux Champ. There actually isn't a distinct 2027 model. What we're looking at is an ongoing production vehicle that launched in 2023 and continues through the current 2025 and 2026 model years. Toyota has instead announced a completely separate 9th generation Hilux for 2027, which is a different higher tier vehicle that includes electric variants. The Hilux Champ remains positioned as the simplified, budget-oriented sibling below the main Hilux lineup. This positioning reveals everything about Toyota's strategy. They're not trying to build the fanciest truck or the most powerful one. They're building the truck that gets the job done without breaking the bank, and that philosophy runs through every bolt and panel of this vehicle. What makes the Hilux Champ so different from its more expensive siblings starts with its foundation. Built on Toyota's iMV0 platform, this truck was designed and engineered by Toyota Daihatsu, engineering and manufacturing in collaboration with Japanese and Australian teams. The development was led by Chief Engineer Jurachart Jongasuk, who also oversaw the 2020 and 2024 facelifts of the regular Hilux. The design philosophy here puts modularity above all else. The Hilux Champ adopts rugged styling with extensive use of angular, boxy lines, but more importantly, it was designed so owners can mount customized rear sections to the chassis using bolts. This makes conversions dramatically easier than traditional body-on-frame construction. Toyota has showcased this flexibility through various concept applications, including a mobile cafe, cargo truck, ambulance, off-road modified vehicle, race-inspired flat-deck street truck, camper, and even a modern jeepney. This modular approach extends to the truck's configuration options. The Hilux Champ offers 10 possible configurations to cater to different markets and business needs. You can get it as a 2-door pickup truck or 2-door chassis cab with 3 different wheelbase options that fundamentally change the truck's character. The shortest version is called the super short wheelbase, stretching just 4,520 millimeters in length with a wheelbase of 2,580 millimeters. That makes it 450 millimeters shorter than the regular short wheelbase model and 780 millimeters shorter than the long wheelbase version. The standard short wheelbase measures 4,970 millimeters long, 1,785 millimeters wide, and 1,735 millimeters tall, while the long wheelbase grows to 530 centimeters in total length with a wheelbase of 309 centimeters. These dimensional differences aren't just numbers on paper. The short wheelbase version offers a bed length of 2,312 millimeters, while the long wheelbase extends that to 2,647 millimeters. In both cases, the bed width remains an impressive 1,711 millimeters, giving you serious cargo capacity regardless of which version you choose. Under the hood, Toyota offers 3 engine options that prioritize reliability over outright performance. The base 2.0-liter 1TR-FE inline-4 petrol engine produces 137 horsepower and 135 pound-feet of torque. Step up to the 2.7-liter 2TR-FE and you get 164 horsepower and 181 pound-feet of torque. The range topper is the turbocharged 2.4-liter 2GD-FTV diesel engine, which delivers 148 horsepower and 295 pound-feet of torque. That diesel engine deserves special attention. The 2GD-FTV features 4 cylinders, 16 valves, DOHC valve train, and variable nozzle turbo with intercooler. It produces its maximum power of 150 horsepower at 3,400 revolutions per minute and peak torque of 400 Newton meters between 1,600 and 2,000 revolutions per minute. These aren't earth-shattering numbers, but they're perfectly suited for commercial work where reliability and fuel efficiency matter more than acceleration times. The chassis setup prioritizes practicality over performance. All Hilux Champ variants are rear-wheel drive only, with no 4-wheel drive option currently available. Ground clearance sits at 164 millimeters, making it capable on rough terrain while remaining accessible for loading. The turning radius of just 4.9 meters for the short wheelbase version makes urban maneuvering surprisingly easy for a commercial vehicle. Payload capacity hits the sweet spot at 1 ton or 2,200 pounds, though this can vary depending on the specific configuration. This puts the Hilux Champ squarely in light-duty territory, perfect for small businesses, delivery services, and individual contractors who need capability without the bulk and cost of larger trucks. Now let's talk about pricing, because this is where the Hilux Champ really makes its case. In Thailand, where the truck is manufactured, prices range range from 459,000 to 597,000 Thai baht, roughly $13,000 to $18,000. The most expensive variant, the super short wheelbase attractive package, starts at 600 to 15,000 baht, or about $19,000. In the Philippines, where it's marketed as the Tamarao, pricing starts at 937,000 Philippine pesos for the manual dropside diesel, climbing to 1,142,000 pesos for the utility van configuration. The UAE market sees prices from approximately 85,000 AED compared to 115,000 AED for the regular Hilux in similar trim levels. These prices represent a fundamental shift in how Toyota approaches emerging markets. The company has stripped away non-essential features to hit aggressive price points. The standard Hilux Champ comes without a radio or any form of entertainment system, though there's provision for a double-din stereo for those who want to add one. This bare-bones approach extends throughout the interior, prioritizing durability and function over luxury. The global rollout of the Hilux Champ tells the story of a carefully planned market entry. It all began on December 14, 2022, when Toyota revealed the IMV0 concept at Toyota Motor Thailand's 60th anniversary event. Chairman Akio Toyoda himself hosted the unveiling, stating, "Internally, we call it the IMV0 concept. Its official launch is actually over a year away, but I wanted all of you to be the first to see it." Thailand became the first market to receive the production version on November 27th, 2023. Indonesia followed with the Hilux Rangga, launching sales on October 15, 2024. The Philippines introduced their locally assembled Tamarao on December 6, 2024, with production beginning at the Santa Rosa plant just days earlier. Peru received the truck as the Hilux Stout on August 29, 2024. Each market brings its own naming heritage to the truck. In Indonesia, the Rangga name comes from the Javanese word Rongo, meaning hero, previously used on Kijang variants. The Philippine Tamarao resurrects a nameplate last used on the Kijang sold between 1976 and 2005, though the truck itself still carries physical Hilux badging. But the most interesting development is what's not happening in major markets like Australia and the United States. Sean Hanley, Toyota Australia's Vice President of Sales, was direct about their position. "It's not intended for Australian requirements. We've got our model lineup with Hilux and it's just not a real good fit right now." The US market faces even bigger barriers. The 25% chicken tax on imported light trucks makes the pricing equation difficult, while federal motor vehicle safety standards designed around larger vehicles create regulatory hurdles. However, recent regulatory shifts are potentially opening doors for ultra-compact work vehicles that were previously blocked. Looking ahead, Toyota's electrification plans add another layer to the Hilux story. The company has confirmed that a battery electric Hilux will launch in 2026, featuring dual electric motors and a 59.2 kilowatt-hour battery pack producing around 350 pound-feet of torque. Range estimates suggest 159 miles in off-road conditions, extending to 236 miles in urban driving. But this electric Hilux will be part of the 9th generation regular Hilux lineup, not the Champ. This maintains the clear positioning strategy where the Champ remains the affordable, simplified option, while the main Hilux line moves upmarket with advanced powertrains and features. The Toyota Hilux Champ represents something rare in today's automotive landscape, a vehicle designed specifically to be affordable without being cheap. It's Toyota betting that there's still a massive global market for trucks that prioritize function over form, capability over luxury, and value over prestige. In emerging markets where the Hilux Champ is finding success, this bet appears to be paying off. Whether that formula can eventually translate to developed markets remains the biggest question facing this uniquely practical truck. For now, the Hilux Champ continues proving that sometimes the best innovation isn't adding more features, but knowing exactly which ones to leave out.